Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this creamy, dreamy, and delicious tiramisu, which is made without mascarpone. This recipe is simple and no bake, so let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, combine together 5 egg yolks with half a cup of granulated sugar. We're going to give this a whisk until it is combined. The full recipe is available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out. Now we're going to place this onto a double boiler, which is just a pot with hot water, and continue to beat until it turns pale and creamy and really thick. Just make sure that the bowl does not touch the hot water. The mixture should look something like this, and now we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to add in about 1 1/4 cups of cream cheese. I'm using full fat cream cheese. We're going to whisk that in until it is fully incorporated. Once that's nice and silky and smooth, we're going to set that aside, and in a separate large bowl, we're going to whip up cold heavy whipping cream to stiff peaks. You want to make sure the cream is cold, otherwise it will not whip. I'm going to also be adding an additional 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to lightly sweeten the cream. All of my recipes, as well as this one, are available on my website, thefoodflamingo.com. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat to combine. Once that's done, we're going to add in the cream cheese mixture that we made earlier. Fold everything using a spatula until it is fully incorporated. And that's it. That's the custard of the tiramisu. Next, we're going to combine hot water and espresso powder, and I'm also going to be adding a tablespoon of sugar, but this is optional. Give that a mix, and now we're going to dip in the ladyfingers. You want to dip them very slightly, do not over soak or else they will become soggy. Arrange this at the bottom of your serving tray. I'm using a 10 by 10 square tray. I used about 18 ladyfingers on each layer, and I made 2 layers. Next, we're going to add in half of the cream cheese custard that we made earlier and spread that out. If you want, you can also halve this recipe to make a smaller tiramisu. Next, we're going to repeat the same step and add another layer of soaked ladyfinger biscuits. Now add the remaining custard and spread that out. All you have to do now is chill this for at least 4 hours or even overnight for the best results. Once it has been chilled, all you have to do is dust this with some cocoa powder and it is ready to be served. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make tiramisu. It's perfect to make for parties and get-togethers. It is creamy, soft, and fluffy, and has the perfect amount of coffee, and it's not overly sweet as well. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.